Good morning. It's Tuesday, 13th August 2024. Welcome to yet another episode of Pre-Market Commentary. This is Vijay here. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I say in this podcast is my own personal analysis, and please don't take this as investment advice. Consult your financial advisor. However, if you like what I'm saying, kindly share, like, and subscribe, and please pass it on to your friends. And please keep coming so that it will give me the confidence and the encouragement. We are now close to about 900 subscribers. We started 4 months ago, a long way to go. But nevertheless, the views are increasing every day. The last one, which I did on this Hindenburg on Sunday, has crossed more than 500 views, which for me at this point of time is something like a record. Though people may be talking of tens of thousands, but for us, it is just the first step. So today is an important day in more ways than one, because today is the day of the semi-annual MSCI index rebalancing for India. So every year, twice, you have this MSCI index which rebalances, which bring in stocks and take out stocks. Currently, there are about 8 stocks which have been included. This starts off with you have RVNL, you have Zydus Life, Oracle, KPIT, Oil India, Dixon, Cochin Shipyard, and HDFC. Now, these stocks, of course, HDFC is there. It is just that they are going to increase the weightage. So these stocks will have to be bought by the passive index funds, which are becoming larger and larger by September 2. So you will see some activity beginning today, and you will see maximum activity on September 2. So that is about 10,000 crores has to get into these 8 stocks. And on HDFC separately, 25,000 crores has to get in by September 2nd, which means that 35,000 crores gross investment is certain to come from FIIs between now and September 2. So that will, to a great extent, negate the consistent selling by FIIs day after day. For instance, even yesterday, they sold about 4,600 crores because of the Hindenburg issue, I suppose, and promptly the DIIs bought in that entire thing. So negating the effects of Hindenburg, if any, finally the markets closed flat as far as Nifty was concerned, but Bank Nifty closed in the positive. Bank Nifty is slowly gaining strength, though if you really look at the graphs, Bank Nifty is significantly below the highs, whereas Nifty is not so. So Nifty has closed somewhere close to 4,300 and odd. And I think the next target, as people are talking, is 4,450, then 4,700, and then finally attack the all-time high. But that may be some more distance to go. There is also geopolitics which we need to consider, which is again rare dead said. Notice the increase in oil, which has gone up by 3%. Gold and silver too went up yesterday, about 1.8 to 2%. But today they've all cooled off. Gold and silver at least has cooled off. Oil is still at $81. That is not a very great sign for Indian markets. Then, if you look at what happened globally, the US markets were very volatile. Dow Jones closed 100 and odd points, 140 points down, while S&P was flat and NASDAQ was up about 30 points, 35 points, mainly because of NVIDIA, which went up close to 5%. So that is as far as global markets are concerned. The volumes were much better yesterday than what happened on Friday, about 1.24 lakh crores, vis-a-vis what happened on Friday, which was 1.15 lakh crores. So these 8 stocks which I mentioned, they are likely to be in focus. And also a couple of other stocks. Bandhan, which is going out, will also be in focus. So that's the 9th stock. And GNFC, which has come out of the ban. GNFC is one of the really good fertilizer / chemical stocks. Disclaimer here being that we own that. So that should do well, in my opinion, because now it has come out of the ban. And there is an interview with the Biocon chair, and she is talking of some plans. So that should also hold good for Biocon. Incidentally, we hold Biocon also. So I'm looking at a good day today, like I looked at as a good day yesterday, and it is one of our best days as far as intraday trading is concerned. I run a Telegram group called a Market Mirror, free group, and on Mondays talk to. I mean, I show them the trades, every single trade which I do on an intraday basis, on real time basis. And yesterday was one of our best days. Of course, we also have a mentees group which is separate, where trades are shown every single day. But the free group on every Monday, they get to see online, real time, which was about 1 minute delay. So yesterday was a very good day for us, except for one stock. We made profits in all, and these were across the board. And I had gone with that positive frame of mind. Today, it is much more tentative than yesterday because the prices have gone up. So we have to depend on global markets. Japanese market was closed yesterday. Today it's opened with about 760 points up. The other markets, Asian markets, like Hong Kong, is struggling as usual. Singapore is up close to about 1%, whereas Kospi is also struggling. So we have a mixed kind of opening today. Some good, some not so good, some under pressure. So we'll have to navigate much more carefully than yesterday. Yesterday was what they call a slam dunk thing. You just buy on decline and you'll make money. Today may not be so easy, but as traders, we have to find methods, we have to find scripts, we have to find entry points, and which we will as a group do. As far as my mentees and I am concerned, hopefully we will do well today, but it will be tougher than yesterday. Nevertheless, as of now, things look flat as far as the US markets, US futures are concerned. So I think we should close in the positive, unless something dramatic happens on the geopolitical front between Iran and Israel. So I am not pessimistic on that issue, but nevertheless, you never know. You can never read the minds of people. So we have to be prepared, and we will act accordingly. Thank you for joining. Whatever you do,